Hello friend. In my last video, I explained you about classes and objects in Java. In this video, I want to show you some practical example of classes and object. Here I am in Eclipse. If you don't know about Eclipse, then no problem. I will tell it about it in a different video. Here I am in Eclipse IDE. So for create a Java project in Eclipse IDE, we need to go in file, from file in new, and from new here we have some option Java project. Here we need to click. After clicking, we need to give the name of our project, means what whatever name you want to give. Like here I want to give name like a class and object, and click finish. So here your one Java project will going to be created, class and object. And now we will, here two folders are there, one JRE folder which contain all the library required to running our Java project. So I will tell you about JRE after in another video. Here I want to only explain about class and object. So for that we will create one class. Like in my last video I told you about class, so I give you example of a student class. So here I will going to create one student class. So click on src, right click on src, go in new and click on class. Here we need to give the name of our class. Like here my last video I give you example of a student, so I give class name as a student and click finish. So now a student class got created. So this is the student class, and now we need to define the member variables. So member variable is like private int id and private string name. These two are the member variable of a student class. So to differentiate between a student, we need these two things, id and name. If we give id, and for creating an object we need one method that's called public static void main. And for creating an object of a student, what I said in my previous lecture, we use a student s a student equal to new student, like that. Now if I assign a value to that student, then what I did to access those variable, I will going to say a student dot id is equal to 1. Similarly, a student dot name is equal to Rahul. So this is one object. This is one student object. Similarly, we can create another student object in same way by writing a student2 is equal to new student. Same way, a student2 dot id is equal to 2, and a student2 dot name is equal to Rohan. So these are the two object. These are the two object. A student1 and a student2 are the two objects of a student class. And here a student1 has id 1 and name Rahul, and a student2 has id 2 and name Rohan. Thank you.